Large Employer of the Year, National Assembly for Wales. The National Assembly for Wales introduced its apprenticeship programme 2 years ago, with the objective of providing an opportunity for young people to earn while they learn and working towards nationally recognised qualifications. Apprenticeships are part of the Assembly's social responsibility programme, and 10 apprentices have been recruited in the last 2 years. Working with learning provider Cardiff and Vale College, the programme is structured to ensure apprentices gain valuable work experience, learn specific job skills, gain qualifications, and discover the opportunities available to them in the workplace. GE Aviation Wales. As a global aviation company, Nantgarw-based GE Aviation Wales has to ensure it has well-equipped, trained and qualified employees. Apprentices are an intrinsic part of the company's fabric, not only ensuring well-trained employees, but encouraging new ideas and the development of procedures that enhance the global business. Working with Coleg y Cymoedd, GE invests more than £1 million a year in its apprenticeship programme. Over the past 12 months, the company has employed 23 apprentices and currently employs over 150 engineering apprentices, interns and graduates. Dunbeer. As one of the UK's largest retail packers, Dunbeer prides itself on employing staff that are not only well-trained, but have the ability to support the growth of the business at its facilities in Wales. The company employs approximately 4,000 people throughout the UK, of which 600 are employed at its Llanybother site in Carmarthenshire, including 32 apprentices. It works with local schools and young farmers' clubs to promote apprenticeship career opportunities within the community, including open days on site and in conjunction with Cambrian Training Company. City and County of Swansea Corporate Building and Property Services. A policy of growing their own is providing the investment and inspiration to recruit and train apprentices to develop future capacity and skills at the City and County of Swansea's Corporate Building and Property Services Department. The authority has developed a strategy to target apprenticeship and pre-apprenticeship programmes, ensuring the department has a continual supply of trained staff to deliver its services. Over the past year, it has recruited 17 apprentices and has 40 apprentices currently working for the authority.